Okay, this is a very bizarre little problem that I have with a course. And I didn't even notice this at first, but I have this scene, scene 4, cultured order. And it's got this slide 4, 5. I'll show you what the slide looks like. It looks like this, and it's showing up very weird in the actual menu. So when I go to the menu of the course and actually walk through it, here's that scene, the cultured order. I go through it and I get to this slide, and here's the slide. And when the learner told me, or my client told me looking at this course, they said, this slide doesn't belong here. You need to take it out. And they said it was 8.3. And I thought 8.3, it's in scene 4. That's weird. So I looked, and sure enough, it says 8.3. So I pointed out before that there's this weird thing happening in the menu about delete it or not found. So I don't even know why this happens. It happens all over through this menu. There's one, delete it, not found, delete it, not found. And then there's this whole scene, scene 5, delete it, not found. So if we take that into account and say this is scene 4, this is scene 5, 6, 7. So it's actually pointing that this slide is in scene 7, slide number 3, is where it's pointing that this is. So when I go back to storyline and look at scene 7, slide number 3, it's not there. That slide doesn't exist in scene 7. It actually exists in scene 6 under physician search, slide 3. So let's look at that here. Physician search, slide 3. Here's 1, 2, 3. That's right. It does exist in physician search, slide 3. But it also seems to appear in diet orders, slide 3. 1, 2, and now it's not there. It doesn't exist when you go directly through the menu. It's the most bizarre little thing. I can't even explain how this works. So let me do it this way instead. Let me go to scene 4, this weird slide that should not be there. That's right, I shouldn't have copied it here if I did indeed copy it here. I'm going to insert something weird so that we can really see it stand out. So here's a big star. We'll make it bright yellow so that we can see it. So now if we do a preview this way instead, sorry, it is a bit long because it's a long course. But this way you can see I'm doing no trickery. Publishing, 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 publishing. Okay, so here we go. So now we'll go to that area. So scene 4 is where we have this trouble. Here we go. Scene 4. That time I saw scene 4 has a delete or not found. That's actually showing up there now. That's weird. It wasn't there before. It wasn't labeled that before. So now let's do it. Let me just check. Here's the course running live. Scene 4. Oh, scene 4. Oh, it is. It is delete or not found in the original as well. Okay, so we've published it out. Sorry, let me get my published version that we're watching. This one here is the published. I'm on storyline. Okay, so slide 1, 2. So there's that weird slide that's jumping to 8.3. If I go to the scene where this slide actually was copied, seems to be supposed to be, you can't click to those deleted ones. If I go to physician search scene 7, it's there in scene 7 where it should be. That's right, it should be in scene 7. In scene 6 where it actually is, you don't see it show up. It's just the most bizarre little thing, but it's that. I don't know. I don't even know how to explain this to you. So I'm going to at least put a star on that one. I'm going to go to scene 6 here. This is where it is. And this one I'm going to um, change the shape to a check mark because this one, this is right. This one should be here. I'll go to that scene 4 and change this one to an X so you'll know that this one shouldn't be here. And then the menu is just anybody's guess what's happening there. I don't know if we go to a new version of Storyline and drop these slides in there, whether it will function properly. But it's just a bizarre little thing that is, as I'm showing you, hard to even explain what's happening. I hope this doesn't baffle you too much. Thanks.